Today we're doing systems of equations, and we're going to solve by graphing. So remember, we have already solved systems of equations by substitution. So remember, this is going to be two or more equations, and they form a system. So what we're going to be looking for is an intersection. So where do they cross? So let's start with this system, y equals negative 2x plus 8 and y equals x plus 2. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to solve this, but I'm going to graph each of them. So I'm going to start with this first one, and I'm going to do it in red. So my m here, my slope is negative 2 over 1. My b is 8, or 0, comma 8. Remember, we start with graphing our b, so I'm going to go up 8, make my point. Then I'm going to go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1. And I'm going to keep doing that. I'm going to do more than 3 points this time because I'm looking for where they intersect. So that could mean that they intersect at the first point. It could mean that we have to draw like a few more than 2 or 3 this time. Now I'm just going to do the same thing with the blue one. So my m, or my slope, is the number in front of x. And since there's no number there, there's always a 1. So my slope is 1 over 1, and my b is 2, or 0, comma 2. So I'm going to graph my b first of 0, comma 2. I'm going to go up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. Notice right here they intersect. So I'm going to make my line, and that black ordered pair that I just drew is my answer. So the answer here is the ordered pair of, of 2, comma 4. And we can check that by plugging them into the first and the second equation, and it will make both of them true. Let's try another one. Let's try the system y equals negative 4x plus 8 and y equals 1x plus 3. So I'm going to start by the same way. I'm going to start with that red line, and I'm going to say my m, or my slope, is negative 4 over 1, and my b again is 8, or 0, comma 8. So I'm going to graph 0, comma 8 first. Now I'm going to go down 4 to the right 1, and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to make my line through that. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the blue. So my m again is 1, or 1 over 1. My b is 3, or 0, comma 3. So I'm going to go up 3, make my point, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. And you can see we have intersected again. So my ordered pair here, or my answer, is going to be 1, comma 4. Okay, let's try this last one, and then we'll be done. And I want to do this one because of the blue one of y equals 2x. So remember here, when we have this, is our m is 2 over 1. Since there's no b there, it's just 0, or 0, comma 0. So I'm going to start by graphing 0, 0. I'm going to go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Okay, or I could go down 2 over 1. The more points you make on that first one, it's going to be way easier for when you do your second line. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the red. My m is 3 over 1. My b I have to do SAO, so is 0, negative 3. So I'm going to graph 0, negative 3 first, and then I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. And you see we have intersected right here at this point, and that is 3, comma 6. So now that you have 3 examples, I want you to try it on your own. So I want you, when you do your exit slip, to do your graph on a separate sheet of paper, and you're going to put your ordered pair in the answer.